Pip and the Missing Giggles. In the deep hush of a star-sprinkled night, as the world drifted softly into dreams, Pip set out on gentle wings, no bigger than a dandelion puff. Pip floated and glided between beds and cribs, peering into sleeping children's dreams, where bright bubbles rose and shimmered. But tonight, something was different. The dream bubbles, usually filled with tinkly giggles and pops of laughter, were quiet and still. Not a single giggle danced across the air. Pip gently hovered, puzzled. Where have all the giggles gone? Pip wondered, a feeling as soft as fog gathering in Pip's chest. Pip fluttered toward the moonbeam-lit hillside where the Giggle Factory stood, hidden among the clover and moss. Inside, baskets and bins were empty, and the big glass jars rattled without any giggle seeds inside. Pip found tiny, glittery crumbs sprinkled in a winding trail, sparkling with silver in the moonlight. Following the trail, Pip walked through bending grass blades and soft mounds. At the end of the sparkly trail sat a small creature, round as a cotton puff. Its eyes were wide, and its cheeks were stuffed full as it nibbled and nibbled. "Excuse me," Pip whispered. "Are those giggle seeds?" The puffball creature nodded with a little squeak. "I was so hungry, and these were so shiny. I'm sorry." Tiny tears sparkled in the creature's eyes, and Pip's heart grew warm. With gentle patience, Pip thought of sweet petals, soft berries, and fresh dewdrops. Plenty of snacks better than giggle seeds. Together, Pip and the puffball foraged under ferns, gathering a feast. The puffball munched happily, a satisfied sigh rustling the grass. Shh! Pip gathered the giggle seeds and led the puffball back to the factory, where they poured them gently into gleaming jars. As Pip flew home, dream bubbles filled with laughter once more. Giggles bubbled and chimed, filling the night with joyful pops and pings. Pip peeked back at the little puffball, now snuggled among clovers. Pip realized that sometimes mistakes can be fixed with a kind heart and a little help from a friend. The end.